Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into how you can elevate your living space and add a touch of luxury without breaking the bank. From upgrading your lighting to incorporating statement hardware, we've got plenty of budget-friendly tips and tricks to make your home feel sophisticated and inviting. Join us as we explore simple yet effective ways to create an upscale ambiance that reflects your personal style. 1. Upgrade your lighting. Light bulb lighting holds the power to transform any room, creating a warm, inviting ambiance that whispers luxury. Outdated fixtures can easily be swapped for modern alternatives like chandeliers, pendant lights, or sleek LED strips. These choices not only illuminate your space but also act as statement pieces that catch the eye. Imagine dining under a sparkling chandelier or reading under the glow of a contemporary floor lamp. Lighting has the ability to set the mood and tone for your entire home. With a bit of creativity, you can find affordable options that mimic the high-end look of designer lights. Remember, the right lighting can make even the simplest of rooms feel grand. 2. Use high-quality throw pillows and textiles. Couch and lamp. There's something undeniably luxurious about the touch of rich fabrics like velvet, linen, and faux fur. By incorporating high-quality textiles into your living space, you can instantly elevate its overall feel. Opt for throw pillows in neutral tones or jewel colors to add a refined touch to your sofa or bed. These colors exude sophistication and can easily blend with your existing decor. Mixing and matching textures will create depth and interest, making your space feel curated rather than cluttered. Investing in a few good pieces can have a transformative effect, making your home feel like a plush retreat. 3. Add large mirrors for an open-feel. Mirrors are a designer's secret weapon when it comes to creating the illusion of space and elegance. Strategically placing large mirrors in your home can reflect light, making any room feel bigger and more open. A well-positioned mirror can catch the light from a nearby window, dispersing it throughout the room, enhancing the brightness and ambience. Think of mirrors as both functional and decorative elements. Whether framed in ornate gold or sleek silver, they can add a touch of sophistication to any area. Plus, mirrors are often affordable, making them a cost-effective way to introduce luxury into your home. 4. Incorporate statement hardware and fixtures. Small details can make a big impact, and upgrading hardware is an easy way to add a touch of luxury. Swap out cheap cabinet handles, faucets, and doorknobs for finishes like brushed gold, matte black, or chrome. These materials not only look expensive but also add a contemporary edge to your decor. Imagine the difference a sleek, modern faucet can make in a dated bathroom or kitchen. This simple change can elevate the entire look of a space without the need for major renovations. It's all about the little things, and these simple swaps can make your home feel more cohesive and high-end. 5. Invest in timeless decor pieces. Framed picture. A few carefully chosen decorative pieces can elevate your space instantly. Think oversized art prints that command attention, sculptural vases that add interest, or classic coffee table books that invite guests to linger. These items don't have to be expensive, but they should be chosen with intention. Timeless decor pieces have the power to transform a room, adding personality and style. Look for items that speak to you and reflect your personal taste. By choosing pieces that are both beautiful and meaningful, your home becomes a curated space that feels luxurious and unique. 6. Declutter and organize house. Luxury is often synonymous with simplicity, and a cluttered home can quickly feel chaotic and overwhelming. Invest in stylish storage solutions to keep surfaces clean and organized. A well-organized space instantly feels more luxurious and serene. Consider using decorative baskets, chic shelving, or minimalist storage boxes to hide away everyday items. The act of decluttering can also be therapeutic, allowing you to focus on the things that truly matter. By creating a space that is free from unnecessary distractions, you can enjoy a more peaceful and luxurious home environment. 7. Upgrade your bedding and towels. Imagine slipping into a bed with high thread count sheets or wrapping yourself in a plush towel after a shower. These small indulgences can make a big difference in how luxurious your home feels. Invest in quality bedding and towels to transform your bedroom and bathroom into a 5-star hotel experience. Look for materials that are soft and durable, ensuring comfort and longevity. A cozy duvet or a set of fluffy pillows can make your bedroom a sanctuary, while thick, plush towels can add a spa-like feel to your bathroom. These upgrades are worth the investment and can significantly enhance your everyday life. 8. Use crown molding and wall trims. Classical building crown molding and wall trims can add an expensive architectural touch to your home without the high cost. Consider DIY wall paneling, wainscoting, or even peel and stick moldings to enhance your walls. These small details can make a room feel more finished and sophisticated. Crown molding, in particular, can draw the eye upward, making ceilings appear higher and the space more open. These architectural elements can add character and charm, turning a simple room into a luxurious retreat. With a little effort and creativity, you can achieve a high-end look that feels timeless and elegant. 9. Introduce scent and mood lighting candles. The sense of smell is powerful, and luxury homes always smell amazing. Use scented candles, essential oil diffusers, or fresh flowers to enhance your space and create a welcoming atmosphere. Choose scents that are subtle yet sophisticated, like lavender, vanilla, or sandalwood. Pair these scents with mood lighting to create a serene environment. Dimmed lights or candles can add warmth and intimacy, making your home feel cozy and inviting. These small touches can have a big impact, creating a sensory experience that elevates your home to new levels of luxury. 10. Play with layered rugs and curtains. Face mask layering is a design technique that adds depth and interest to a space, and it's an easy way to introduce luxury into your home. Mix textures in area rugs and floor-to-ceiling curtains to create an upscale feel, even in small spaces. Layering rugs can add warmth and comfort, while curtains can make windows appear larger and more dramatic. Choose fabrics that are rich and tactile, like wool, silk, or linen, to add a touch of elegance. Playing with layers allows you to create a dynamic and visually appealing space that feels both luxurious and inviting.